meat on former cricketer Shikhar Dhawan. We are learning now that Shikhar Dhawan has just arrived at ED's Delhi office. ED is all set to grill Shikhar Dhawan anytime now. Earlier, Suresh Raina was grilled by the ED in this case. Several celebs endorsing betting apps who are under the ED scanner. Those are the first pictures on India Today of Shikhar Dhawan, who's arrived at the ED office just a few minutes ago. Let me cut across to Munish Pandey, who's tracking every development very closely. Munish, what's next for Shikhar Dhawan?
Well, Suesha, these are the first images of Shikhar Dhawan when he reached the ED headquarters in the national capital. His statement recording has started in the ED office, and the ED is recording his statement under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Now, this statement, Suesha, is being recorded in the 1x BetApp case. As far as the ED's case is concerned, what ED is probing here is the illegality through which this betting app was functioning. And according to Enforcement Directorate, this was nothing but an app which was illegally, generating huge amount of money, crores and crores from the gullible people. Now, as far as Shikhar Dhawan is concerned, remember there are two former top cricketers who are under scanner of Enforcement Directorate in the case. Number one is Suresh Raina. Number two is Shikhar Dhawan. Earlier, what we saw is that Suresh Raina was called in by the ED, and his statement was recorded, at the national capital at the ED office. As far as Shikhar Dhawan is concerned, earlier also he was summoned by the ED for questioning in the case. He decided to skip the first summon, but today he has appeared, and it's going to be a long day, Suesha, for Shikhar Dhawan, because according to Enforcement Directorate, he is a suspect in the case because he received money from this illegal betting app company. That is why he is a suspect. The ED claims that they will record a statement to find out whether Shikhar Dhawan received the money only for promoting the app, or whether he was aware that this is an illegal app. Still, he received the money from this app. So this is going to be very important as far as the recording of statement is concerned. We have been given to understand is that almost 7 to 8 hours this questioning will go on for Shikhar Dhawan, and after recording this statement, the ED will decide the further course of action against Shikhar Dhawan in this case. So,
Absolutely, Manish. And any further details coming in on what the line of questioning could possibly be, or what Shikhar Dhawan's version is so far? Because if I'm not wrong, he hasn't released a statement until now.
absolutely, Suesha. No statement from Suresh Raina either, and not a single statement from Shikhar Dhawan.